Good afternoon, everybody. We have the weekly chart on the VIX. That is the Volatility Fear Indicator Index. You can see for the last month, we've been going straight up and equities have been going straight down. We have more to go. If we break out up to 23, stocks and the market will hit a bottom in October, meaning we have a big flush out to the downside. This will hit resistance. When it starts to come back down, then we'll start buying equities, and we will. So the fear indicator is what it is, and how you can use this to gauge your positions. The positions that we're in our short portfolio is making tons of money right now. It takes money to make money. We have trading capital. It's ready to be deployed to you. You can make a lot of money. We can help you use that money to make a lot of money. So back to the fear indicator. A higher spike will send the indexes lower. It's very important to watch this fear indicator because until it shows us on a daily level, we're breaking out. Look at that big breakout bar, and equities and indexes and everything's sold down. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. We'll go through a lot of different things in the live trading room to power your trading.